Hey there! Looking to build your own e-commerce store? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily manage your Shopify store, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner. First, let's talk about Shopify's plans. They offer several options. Basic for $19 a month, Growth for $49 a month, Advanced for $299 a month, Plus for $2,300 a month. Each plan gives you great features to manage your store, with a couple other options for specific needs, the starter and retail plans. You'll find one that suits your business. Please also see the link in the description for a 3-month $1 Shopify trial to kickstart your project. After signing up for Shopify, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where you'll manage your store. Don't worry, it's super user-friendly. From here, you can access everything: orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, and more. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate this. It's designed for anyone to use. Let's dive into managing your orders. Once your store is up and running, you'll see all incoming orders in the Orders section. You can keep track of each one with ease. In the Products section, you can add new items, update product variants like sizes and colors, and manage your inventory. Next up, we have the Customers section. Here, you'll find all the details of your customers, when they sign up, place orders, or log in. It's a great way to keep track of your relationships and offer personalized service. Shopify makes marketing a breeze. You can create various types of discounts like product-specific discounts, buy X, get Y offers, order value discounts, free shipping. These tools help you boost sales and offer exciting promotions to your customers. And that's how simple it is to manage your Shopify store. Don't forget there's a 3-month trial for USD1 available through the link in the description. So why wait? Stay tuned for more tutorials to help grow your business. Hit that subscribe and start building your brand today.